You don't have to be afraid tonight. God is watching over you. This is a powerful night prayer for peace and protection. Stay with this prayer till the end, and let peace fill your heart. Father, thank you for today. Thank you for your love, your grace, and your protection. Tonight, I surrender everything into your hands. Every worry, every fear, every burden. I release it now. If you believe this, type Amen. Lord, cover me tonight. Surround me with your presence. Let your angels watch over me. Calm my mind. Quiet every anxious thought. Right now, something is shifting. Peace is flowing, and I am at rest. I declare, I am safe. I am protected. I am at peace. No fear will disturb my rest. Tonight, I sleep peacefully, knowing God is with me, and all is well. Come and amen if you believe.